In this video, I will discuss the setup sheet, how to select the machine, and how to set up the stock. There will be 3 tools that we will be using throughout this tutorial. The first tool that we will use is a 3/4 inch flat end mill. This will be used to machine the elliptical shape boss as well as machine the dynamic core mill to step. The second tool that we will use is a 1/8 flat end mill. This will be used to pocket the ellipse. And finally, we will be using a 1/32 inch flat end mill. This will be used to remachine the pocket. Next, we will select the machine and set up the stock. In Mastercam, you select the machine definition before creating any toolpaths. The machine definition is a model of your machine's capabilities and features. It acts like a template for setting up your machine. The machine definition ties together 3 main components: the schematic model of your machine's components, the control definition that models your control's capabilities, and the post-processor that will generate the required machine code. For a Mill Level 1 exercise, we will need just a basic machine definition. That being said, for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using the default milling machine. Select machine type, mill, default. Your machine type will appear in the Operations Manager on the left. If you cannot see your Operations Manager, press Alt-O on your keyboard to see it. Next, select the plus sign in front of Properties, and from the expanded list, choose Tool Settings. The Machine Group Properties dialog box will appear. Input a program number of 4 and enable the following options. Assign tool number sequentially and warn of duplicate tool numbers. As well, enable all of the advanced options. I will now take a brief moment to explain a few of these parameters. Program number is used to enter a number if your machine tool requires a number for a program name. Assign tool number sequentially allows you to overwrite the tool number from the library with the next available tool number. Warn of duplicate tool numbers allows you to get a warning if you enter 2 tools with the same number. Override defaults with modal values enables the system to keep the values that you enter. And finally, from tool uses feed rate, plunge rate, retract rate, and spindle speed from the tool definition. Once all of the options have been enabled, select the Stock Setup tab. Select the cylindrical shape. Set the axis to Z, enable display, and input the following values: 2 and 10. And finally, input the following Z value: -2. I will now take a brief moment to explain these parameters. The stock origin values adjust the positioning of the stock, ensuring that you have an equal amount of extra stock around the finished part. Display options allows you to set stock as wireframe and to fit the stock to the screen. Once the parameters have been adjusted, select the OK button to exit the machine group properties. From here, select the isometric view to see the stock. Also, press the fit icon. Your stock model will appear as shown. Remember, the stock is not geometry and cannot be selected. You can now select the top view to see the part from the top. You should note that there will not be a facing toolpath because the stock is already to size. In the next video, I will show you a 2D high-speed core mill toolpath.